Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna be making a strawberry heavy whipping cream smoothie because I'm on keto diet and I don't want to get too much carbs. Strawberry are great for keto dieters because they are fairly low in the amount of sugar that they contain or the amount of carbs that they have. Heavy whipping cream is also great for keto because it's very high in fat. It's pretty much just a higher fat content milk. And there is no amount of protein in it. However, for this cup, I actually mixed in half of the heavy cream, half of the half and half. So it's pretty much a hybrid mix of milk drink in this bottle. So basically I'm gonna this is pretty much two ingredients. I pour this in here and then I put the strawberry in the cup over here. And always, this is the KitchenAid K400 blender. I just bought it a few days ago and I did an initial impression on it. And this is gonna be my second time making a mixed drink with the KitchenAid K400. And again, it will be really interesting because it's very impromptu. I'm not following any recipe. I'm pretty much just doing what I want to do. Okay, so this is all the heavy cream plus half and half mix I have. I'm just gonna pour it in here and dumping all my strawberry, and then look at that, it's pretty fatty. So I can probably still just pouring a little more water to get it up to the 1.5 liter or 57 ounce mark, 56 ounce mark, so I get the best bang for the buck, and this should last me a little bit longer with a few more drinkings. So I'm gonna add some water, but I'm gonna use cold water. And again, very impromptu. With blending, you can pretty much just do whatever you like. I'm gonna stop at the maximum mark over here, 56, and then we're gonna just start blending using the smoothie mode, and we'll see where it leads. So KitchenAid K400, so far I like it very much. No complaint, very smooth operating. And so got it into smoothie mode. We'll just hit start and let's start. I almost forgot. Heavy whipping cream is gonna turn into very foamy stuff if we blend it for too long or blend it too quick. So I'm gonna actually dial my power back to probably 1 to 2. It's already almost done. The strawberry is already pulverized, and now it's just a nice looking liquid in there. Hopefully it's not too foamy. Hopefully. That's what happens with impromptu mix. Let's pour it out and take a quick look. Not too bad. Again, if I have some ice, I would probably put in some ice to make it a cold, like a more colder drink. But I don't have any ice, so we're just gonna have to make do like that. All right, let's see. Camera angle lower just a little bit. Let's see what we have. Here we go. Beautiful. Nice creamy drink. Look at that. And then again, I'm gonna save the rest in the fridge with the lid closed, and it should last me probably 2-3 more drinks. That's how you quickly make something delicious and strawberry tasting. All right, so if you guys have any questions about using this little blender, the KitchenAid K400, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, let me do a quick taste test. So the nice thing about strawberry is that it's not overly sweet, which I personally like, and this tastes like milk plus strawberry pretty much, and very, very creamy, actually, like to a point that it's more foamy. So I think for my next mix, I'll probably putting a little more water, slightly less of the half and half and heavy cream mix, and that should make the texture more watery. Okay, but it's very delicious. Questions, comments, feel free to ask me down below. Otherwise, thank you so much. See you in my next video.